Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have AYRA STARR here with a song called Rhythm and Blues. So this is only a 2-chord song. That is great. We will work with bar chords only, so no need for any cape on this one. Let's look at the 2 chords needed. So the first one is the F sharp chord. So you place the bar over all strings here on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Of course, 3rd on G. So there you have the F sharp. You take the very same grip there and just move it 2 frets towards your body like this. And so you land with the bar now on the 4th position here. Over all strings you bar that, and then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. And there you have the G sharp. So it's just going between the F sharp, G sharp, and back and forth like this. Alright, so the final thing, just a strumming pattern needed for this song. And one strumming that works very well for this one will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so slowly like this. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. Alright, so gonna play 4 rounds of that per chord. So a little bit slower than standard tempo, goes like this. So you just speed it up a notch, and then you have AYRA STARR's Rhythm and Blues. Good luck with this one, guys. Until next time, play tuned.